I'm a fitness consultant and a coach in Fitter. You are watching me in Anytime's Lifestyle. I'm going to take you through a series of very quick, easy workouts which can be done at home or anywhere on the go. It can be done by any age group. You absolutely don't need any equipment to do these workouts. Mountain climbers. Come to the plank position. The palms shoulder width apart, right under the shoulder. The core is sucked inside and my hips are tucked in and my body is straight, not lifted up, not coming down. I'll first show you the slow mountain climber. Take your knee as much as possible towards your chest and straighten it. Lift knee towards the chest and straighten it. 1, 2, 3. Body is stable as much as possible. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We'll do the fast mountain climber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do the donkey kicks, which is also a very effective exercise for your glute muscles and for your lower body. So you come on all fours. The palms are shoulder width apart and right under the shoulder. The feet is hip width apart. The knee is placed on the mat and right under the hip. As you can see, my feet, my knee and my hip are at 90 degrees to each other. My back is straight, my back is not getting arched, neither it is arched upwards. My back is totally straight, my neck is neutral. Keeping my hips facing towards the mat, I lift my leg still in 90 degree. I'll lift it all the way up and I'll squeeze my glute. I'll feel a squeeze here when I go up and I come down, still keeping my back neutral, not arching the back. The back is straight. Breathe out and go up. Squeeze the glute. 3. Squeeze the glute. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll do the other side as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. The glute bridge, which is a very effective exercise for your glute muscles. Most of the time the glute muscles are compressed as we are spending our time sitting and working. So it's very important to work on our glute muscles and strengthen them. And nothing can be a simpler exercise than the glute bridge. So keep your hands aligned by the side of your body. My feet are hip width apart and my heels are as close as possible to the hips. In this position, inhale, exhale and go up. Squeeze your hips all the way up. It's okay to hyperextend a little bit. Go all the way up, lock it there. Take your hips up as much as possible towards the ceiling and gently come down. We'll do the squats. For squats, we'll keep the feet hip width apart, a little diagonally towards outside. We'll imagine we are sitting on a chair. There's a chair behind us. We can take the hands in front so as to balance us. We'll push the hips back as we sit instead of bringing the knees in front. I'm going and sitting all the way back and squeezing my glutes while I'm coming up. Going all the way back. Go as much deep as possible, which depends on your strength, stamina and your experience. As much deep. And come back, squeeze up. Go as much deep as possible and squeeze up. And 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now push-up has various levels. If you are totally a beginner, You can start by doing a wall push-up. Place your palms right on the wall, shoulder width apart. Move back. The feet is facing the wall and the feet is placed away from the wall, at least the length of the hands. Now keeping the feet firm on the ground, taking the chest, the back is straight, the chest moves towards the wall and come up. Breathe in and go towards the wall. Breathe out and straighten your elbows. Also, if you are not comfortable doing the squat, you can do the wall sits. So you imagine you are sitting on a chair, but you're taking the support of the wall so that you don't fall off. The feet are again hip width apart. Your body, your hip, your knee and your feet are 90 degrees to each other. Sit in this position maybe for 30 seconds or for 1 minute, depending on your strength, stamina and your level. You can fit all these exercises in a very short span of time in your day and try it out to remain fit, strong and increase your immunity.